Joe from Gardening at Douentza, and today I invite you to visit with me this wonderful Alpine garden in the north of Italy in June. We're going to take a nice leisurely stroll around this peaceful garden, and on our way we'll notice more than 700 species of different alpines. Now of course it's June, and as we know, April is probably the best season for viewing alpines in flower, but we'll still find some nice things to see on our way around the garden. The garden was founded in 1934 and it's built according to a circular path, and well, we're just going to follow that path. This garden is at 800 meters above sea level, and one of its claims to fame is the spectacular views. In a little while we're going to see views out over Lake Maggiore, absolutely breathtaking. And at one point you're going to see the Alps in the distance as well, snow-capped and magnificent, where a lot of these plants come from. Oh, and watch out for the orange gentian, a fantastic, beautiful flower that captured the sunlight like a translucent glowing cup. You'll see what I mean. You've enjoyed this visit with me to the Alpine garden in Stresa, Italy. What do you think? Do you think it's a wonderful place? I think it certainly has a certain magic. If you're not subscribed already to my channel, please subscribe and check back again for lots more gardening and plant fun. Bye!